respected Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad ji, Shri Amitabh Kant ji, Shri Sani ji, my esteemed fellow panelists, ladies and gentlemen. It is a privilege to speak at this global summit. Artificial intelligence is indispensable for India's tryst with her digital destiny. Therefore, Honorable Prime Minister, this summit is yet another testimony to your visionary leadership. 6 years ago, sir, you launched the Digital India Mission and made it a top national priority. And the results have been spectacular. First, India has delivered 4G broadband coverage to more than 99% of our citizens. We have gone from 155th in the world to number 1 in mobile data consumption. With 5G round the corner, India will maintain its leadership position. Second, thanks to your BharatNet initiative and the priority of connecting every home and workplace, India is now rolling out a massive pan-India optical fiber network connecting not only all our cities and towns, but each of our 6 lakh villages. This will put India among the top nations in fixed broadband as well. Third, through your Make in India initiatives, we are now creating the capacity for affordable manufacture of all necessary digital devices, sensors, and equipment in our own country. Fourth, India is becoming a leading nation in compute power with world-class data centers. Along with IoT, this is laying the groundwork for smart platforms that will converge physical and digital domains and boost productivity and efficiency to unprecedented levels in all sectors of our economy. We now have all the crucial components in place to make India a premier digital society. Together, our economy and society will generate data at an explosive and exponential rate. Data is the raw material for artificial intelligence. Intelligent data is the digital capital. It is a vital national resource. In the past, nations have competed on physical capital, financial capital, human capital, and intellectual capital. But in the coming decades, nations will increasingly compete on digital capital. India has the unique advantage to harness its enormous digital capital for AI-driven development, which is bottom-up and inclusive. This is because of our twin strengths of democracy and demography. When 1.3 billion Indians are digitally empowered, they will unleash a proliferation of new digital enterprises that will create faster economic growth, greater prosperity, high-quality employment opportunities, and better standards of living across all sections of our society. We are confident that the government will introduce sound data regulation framework to protect this national resource and ensure data privacy. Therefore, the time is ripe and the tools are ready to make India a world leader in artificial intelligence and to make artificial intelligence work for all Indians. It is important to understand the epoch-changing importance of AI. The advent of modern artificial intelligence is comparable only to the birth of intelligent life on our planet. In the coming decades, the total non-biological intelligence will exceed the rational intelligence of the entire human population. But this does not mean that AI will replace the human mind. It never can, it never will. Rather, AI and associated technologies of the fourth industrial revolution will vastly expand our capacity to solve the most complex and pressing problems before India and the world. Specifically, AI will enable India to move faster towards achieving the 5 ambitious goals set by our Prime Minister. First, of transforming India into a high growth economy on its path to $5 trillion. Second, of making our industry and our small businesses Atmanirbhar and dominating new global value chains. Third, of modernizing Indian agriculture and multiplying the income of our farmers. Fourth, of delivering high quality and affordable health care to all Indians. And fifth, of delivering world-class education, skills and training and talent enrichment to every Indian, including those in the remotest parts of rural India. Ladies and gentlemen, this summit is rightly called the Raise Summit because it raises our hope and confidence that the hardships and the hurdles caused by the corona pandemic will be temporary. India has the resilience and the resolve to bounce back and progress faster than ever before. The very purpose of this summit is to make India future ready. Honorable Prime Minister, Indian industry is ready. Indian youth are ready. Indeed, the entire nation is ready to implement an agenda that will promote artificial intelligence for a strong, sustainable, and equitable new India. Thank you.